birthday guys. So ayan, pupunta kami ngayon sa nabiling lupa ni ate. Pinapa-survey niya ngayon. Nagpe-prepare na rin kami para sa birthday ni Papa. Sinabay na namin yung pagsa-survey doon sa picnic namin ngayon. Kasi magpipiknik raw kami ngayon eh. Nag-prepare lang kami ng kaunting handa, salo-salo. Doon na kami kakain. Doon na rin kakain yung mga inimbitan namin mag-survey ng lupa ni ate. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Papunta na ako doon eh. Medyo rough road dito eh. Rough road pa. Tag-tag. Ayan, may konting kalsada dito. Dito na kami. Dito na. Ayun, nandito na sila engineer, mga magsusurvey.
Just ain't fair to all the other girls hanging out here. Ray-Bans, short shorts, sunburned skin, making me hurt. There's something about you, girl, I need to know a little more about. Just buzzed enough to walk up to you and say what's up. How'd you like to go take a ride in my truck? Look at the stars, made me fall in love. Right then, I knew you were someone I couldn't live without. Just the same, hot August night. another guy I wanna be, someone you just made a memory. So I made a vow it was gonna be you right here, right now. You're my honey, my cat's meow, something I can't live without. It's your sweet kiss, you reaching for my hand, singing and flipping your ponytail to your all-time favorite band. My Chemical Romance, I still don't have a clue what songs they sing, but I loved it just the same.
Ate na kuburanti ko saba. Kurang tayo ng ano, dahon ng saging. Pantakip dun sa nilulutong iniihaw. What the fuck? Ay, pangkalab.
Pangkalab na sa ikaw. Ang gatidugmot, itala ka gudo. Anak kong tanong. Lo adam tayo ma. Marami ka. Napagata.
August nights, warm wind blowing in, steam on the windows, sweat dripping off our skin. I saw everything I needed to see, and I knew right then I'd never get another girl again. No one else will ever do for the rest of my life.
Ayan, pauwi na kami guys. Gabi na kami. Sobrang lakas ng hangin dito. Napakalamig dito sa probinsya. Nakabukas pala yung bag ko. Ginabi na kami. Grabe talaga yung hangin. Grabe, ang lakas. Napakalamig ng simoy ng hangin. Napakaganda. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you.